ago, I flew into Munich, Germany to meet up with some of my favorite Italians for the biggest beer festival in the world. We wanted to see what all the hype was about and what brings in 6 million people every year. In the process, we were given free prepaid time reservations, told we're allowed to spend over 300 euros on beer and food, proceeded to buy drinks for everybody, made lots of German friends, rode some rides, drank some more, and danced our way into the night to the airport. And that's what brought us here.
Everything about this is very dangerous. Be scared. One of our car drowned yesterday. Car started to float, it turned around and he went backwards down the river. The engine blew up. You're turning the car into a boat. It starts to lift the car when it's full underneath. Up to here is okay. Really, really dangerous.
Today we're in search of the most dangerous off-roading Iceland has to offer. With the right tools and a fully equipped vehicle, we're going past government barricades and into conditions that have been determined to be impassable and life-threatening. This is to educate you to make safe decisions when you find yourself in a situation like this, because we did. Our vehicle of choice is the Land Rover Super Defender. With 37-inch tires, this diesel machine comes equipped with an onboard air compressor for variable tire pressure and snorkel for underwater conditions. Radio and satellite connection allow constant access to national weather stations for extreme condition tracking. Auxiliary spotlights and a modified lower center of gravity keep this vehicle pulling strong through the worst of conditions. In this case, AC stands for the tire's air compressor. For the worst of dirt, gravel, and water, it's best to bring the pressure down to 8 psi.
We have just enough fuel to get to our destination airport.
So let's talk logistics. There's a reason why you can't find anything online about Iceland off-roading. Just trying to travel across the island can put you in some of the most dangerous conditions you'll ever experience. In a rapidly changing environment, you can find yourself within minutes in a situation where opening your doors would cause them to fly off into the wind. To help with decision-making and planning your route, Iceland has placed a few select weather stations throughout the island that track certain road conditions such as wind, temperature, and the number of cars going through. When the conditions become too dangerous, the government shuts them down and labels them impassable, noting that attempting these routes is forbidden, deadly, and success is not possible. That's your cue. Today I'm headed down Offroad 249 towards Thorsmork. This road has been getting substantially worse over the years and as of lately taken down for good. I've got one of the largest cars on this island, but have been warned that this same style Land Rover was carried away and consumed by one of these rivers just a couple days ago. My advantage is not only with a fully equipped tank, but having studied to be ready for any situation. When your car starts to sink or float, you need to be able to react properly because one wrong move could cost you a $100,000 Land Rover.
What is he doing? Where's he going? I'm a little worried about this truck. There's water all in my car from that. That was crazy. I thought the windshield wipers don't work anymore, but that's because the water's on the inside. That one lifted the car off the ground as I was floating across. Jeez.
Yeah, I ended up losing the gas cap.
Let's hope that stays.